very warm welcome to Must Know Topics. In this particular series, I'll be taking down various lecturate and GD topics which will be helpful in preparing for various government competitive examinations, including Services Selection Board interviews. The topic that I'll be taking today will be population control, and this will be the 29th lecturate of the series. I'll be covering this particular topic in three subdivisions, that is introduction part, effects of rise in population, and the solution. Well, coming to the introduction part, India's population is on rise and has reached around 130 crore today, and it is likely to suppress China and become the largest populated country in the world. Now, when the partition happened, India's population was just 33 crores, and now it is on great rise. Now, basically, the major reason for the rise in population is that the poor, specifically in the villages, they feel that large number of children means large number of assets, and that becomes the major reason for the rise in population. Well, coming to the effects of rise in population, well, there is an enormous migration from rural areas to cities for livelihood, which becomes the major reasons why cities are overpopulated and villages are less populated. Now, there is a scarcity of food and potable water. Since there is a large amount of people to be fed, there is a lack of resource and it cannot be distributed equally among the people. Now, social and economic reforms cannot be covered at every place. For example, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana. Then, moreover, there are so many reforms which has been brought up by the government, and in order to spread it to each and every village, it requires it requires time and management, which is actually not possible by the DCs, that is district collector of those areas, and MPs and MLAs. Moreover, there is a result in proliferation of slums. There are more number of slums which are being created in the cities since there is lack of land. Moreover, there is expansion of crime due to unemployment. Now, coming to the solution part, well, there can be an amendment of family planning bill. For example, earlier government proposed so many slogans like Hum Do Hamare Do. This can be promoted. Moreover, awareness programs can be made on usage of contraceptive methods to avoid overpopulation, to control the population. Moreover, poor people can be educated on the ill effects of population, and there are many government sectors in which the education allowance is only given to the first two children, and this should be promoted in most of the government sectors and even in the private sectors. And specifically, we need to create awareness in Bimaru states, that is Bihar, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh, which constitute around 40% of the population. Now, basically, the major ill effect of rise in population is the slowing GDP and the poor standard of living. Now, standard of living is based completely on per person, per capita income, and that is very less because of huge population. So, India needs to create awareness among the minds of people so that standard of living is rise, per person, per capita income is also rise, and even economy develops, and moreover the reforms can be easily spread across each and every citizen of the country. So I hope this topic would have been useful. In case you like this video, do hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.